it's Avi's Tiny World. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and like my video. Today I'm going to show you my craft. So let's start. This is my school craft and let's see what's inside. This is a calculator. I made it. This is a pencil bag. I made it too. And this is a notebook, math notebook. And this is an English notebook. And this is a water bottle. And this is a lunch bag. Let's see what's inside. Here it is. Food. And this is the bag. And let's see what's inside this. There is this. This is a catalog. This is a pencil. This is no, it's with this one. Just let's see what's inside this one. I think it's a squishmallow. Let's see. It's this one. Let's see the other one. This. It's this one. We got these two. It's a strawberry one too. Let's see what's inside this one. Food. There's a donut. And some boba. And a cupcake. And the ice cream. So let's see this one. Let's get the dog from here. This is the dog. Let's dress her up in her sleeping dress. And put her to bed. It's morning. Let's take this dress off and put her here. Now take the dress. Go to the next page. Now we're gonna put this here. Now we're gonna put on the towel. The towel. Okay. Now we're gonna eat. These are cupcakes. Mm. Let's change. Oh no. I'm gonna put on this dress. So this craft is done, and now see this craft. I'm gonna put some makeup on her. I'm putting eyeshadow on her. Now I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. Now some blush. Now I'm gonna blend it. Now I'm gonna put some contour. Now I'm gonna put some lipstick on her. The makeup is finally done. So thanks for watching my videos. Bye!